In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm a shipment or receipt in your PayPal account so you can get your money released from hold. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar PayPal homepage. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, your email address and password. Make sure you type in these details carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've logged in, you might be required to confirm your identity with an additional security measure. PayPal typically offers options like receiving a text message or a WhatsApp text. Choose the option that's most convenient for you and follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After you're successfully logged into your account, you'll be directed to your PayPal homepage. This page gives you a snapshot of your account balance and the recent activity. We're going to dig a bit deeper here, so let's focus on checking the status of your transactions. Start by locating the Activity tab. Clicking on this will lead you to a detailed list of your account's transactions. To narrow this down specifically to transactions that might involve holds, look for the Filters option. Use this to refine your search. Once you click Filters, you can further specify what transaction statuses you're interested in. For our purposes, select Status. This will allow you to see different categories of transactions you've had. Now, you're going to look for the Holds category. Click on Holds, and this will bring up a list of transactions that are currently on hold. This list will provide details such as the amount and the date for each transaction. To get your funds released, you need to confirm that you've either shipped an item if you're the seller, or received an item if you're the buyer. Select the relevant transaction from the list that applies to your situation. For sellers, confirm the shipment by entering the shipping information like the tracking number once you've mailed the item. Buyers might see an option to confirm the receipt instead. After you've provided the required details or confirmation, PayPal will review this information. Typically, it doesn't take long and you should see funds released soon after verification. And that's it. By confirming the shipment or receipt of an item, you ensure that any pending funds on your account are moved to your available balance, giving you access to your money. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Hopefully this guide has made the process simple and straightforward for you.